What do we have again?
What a anib, my darling. We can't get enough of this. It's vegetarian today, don't forget. We're in Lent. Why don't you ask our followers what they put in their what a anib? I'm pretty sure it's tasty. Shiny side down, guys. And let's line them with the filling before we roll them up like a cigarette. And don't forget, guys, if they're tough, don't use them. You need nice tender leaves for this. And if you're in doubt, get rid of the central vein like I have. Okay? And give them plenty of time to cook slowly.
Just get rid of the sound. We can do a voice over. How's it going, Mum?
Well, actually, I ran out of fresh vine leaves. So I went and got some more from the freezer. And I didn't have to blanch them. They're nice and flexible. Just give them a minute or so, they defrost. And they're nice and ready. They're very pliable.
Wow.
They're ready to use to roll up. And they're nice and tender. I didn't have to subdivide them and get rid of that central vein, which is tough. It's really good.
Wow, I cannot wait.
I know.
They look so perfect.
Can't wait either. And as you can see, we've strained away all the juices, right? And we put it in another pot for safekeeping. And we're going to use that to cook it.
Oh, yum.
Okay. All the flavors, the seasonings, you name it, it's all there.
Yum.
So don't forget, guys, we promised you something special, and we want to make what you're cooking at home. So make sure you give us a hint, or tell us about how you make your own vine leaf so we can copy you guys. We'd love to try what you're doing at home. Today's a beautiful day, and just like every other day, we're on to something special. We got anniversaries, we got birthdays, family reunions. It's all special. So make sure you sit down and take note and enjoy and celebrate whatever's happening. There is a lot to be thankful for. Okay, guys, so we've packed all the vine leaves. We've placed a flat heat-proof plate on top, and we've drizzled all the reserved juices that we've had all over, and we've added actually a little bit extra seasoning, but you don't have to. You might do that later. Okay, these are all the juices that are going to help cook the rice and the vine leaves. You need to bring up the water level close to the top. Okay, we love our herbs and spices, so we're adding extra. Bit of black and white pepper, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of dried mint, and salt. And those who like it nice and zesty, you might add extra lemon juice as well. So all these help bring out the best vine leaves in the area. Now we've got to bring it to boil and then simmer gently. The longer you simmer it for, the better. and bon appetit. Okay, now boiling has been established. Now we want to weigh it down even more further so the leaves stay intact. This is heat proof. We put down the heat and we just let it simmer for a little while. When lots of the water has been absorbed, we can place the lid on and let it simmer further till it's cooked, and on lowest heat possible. Let's have a look. Wow, it's been on the boil for about half an hour. The water has reduced enough. We can remove the extra weights. And now if we look at it, this is stable. It's not moving anywhere. So now it's safe to continue cooking with the lid on for as long as you like. And if you're using fresh vine leaves, in half an hour they'll be ready. But if you're using the preserved ones, it might take a couple of hours. Okay guys, now most of the water, most of it is gone. Now we're going to test to see if it's done. Carefully lift up the plate. Wow, just look at that. Now look at the darker ones, because they say the darker ones normally more dense and they need more time to cook. The inside always cooks quickly. The leaves need more time to cook. Okay. Now if you need more lemon or pepper, now's a good time to add. But we're going to have to add a little bit of water as well, because we don't want it to dry out and burn down the bottom. Okay. The leaves still need more cooking time. So we'll check up on it in about 10 minutes and see how it goes. Okay friends, we've tasted it and we've realised it needs a bit more spices. It needs a kick. Black and white pepper is really good at that. Okay, I'm going to put some here. This is white. And for black pepper, always grind your own. Please do not buy the ones already powdered.
Oh no, no, no.
It's tasteless. Okay. Now I need a bit more water. And by putting water, we're actually dispersing all the flavors, all the spices to go all the way through. Now we need more water because the leaves are a bit tougher than what I thought. So I'm putting gentle amounts. Okay, let it boil steadily and calmly. Can't be too in a hurry for this one. You got to take your time. Okay guys, this has been cooking for over an hour and 20 minutes now. It looks like it could be ready. So we're going to get our master chef here to try and test it. Come on, Uncle. They are hot, so just put a couple to start off with. Alright, we'll come back.